Hey guys, let's talk about the difference between our nunchucks and our Kali stick when it comes time for impact on a target. Now, the difference here is that this is a lever to my body mass, all weapons are. This is a broken lever to my body mass. Because it's on a swinging chain, it's only ever going to hit with the mass that's attached to this. This is a lever to my own body mass because it's solid. Let's do an example here with Mr. Bob, with first the broken lever with the nunchuck. I want you to see how much his head moves from side to side. Now, the number one thing to mention is that, one, his head didn't move much. Two, the nunchuck rebounded and almost hit me. We're going to talk about that in a second. Now, from here, I have my Kali stick, which is a solid lever to my body mass. As it strikes Mr. Bob, his head moves a lot, because it's now hitting with all of my body, not just the weight of the tip of the nunchuck. So, nunchucks are fun, but bottom line is, this is going to do more damage in the long run. So, let's talk about when we do hit with the nunchuck, different ways that we can recoil and reuse that spin. So, let's talk about how we can hit a target with our nunchucks and manage our recoil so it doesn't hit us. For example, if I just swing my nunchuck right at Mr. Bob here without doing nothing, it's going to come back and hit my hand. It could come back and hit my head. I want to manage the recoil so it doesn't hurt me, only the bad guy. So when I hit Mr. Bob here, it's going to recoil off the target and bounce back in a similar direction. So if I'm going to bounce back in a similar direction going this way, that means I want to be really good at my helicopter spin so I can control that momentum and put it back in my fighting stance. So once I'm here, I'm going to hit and quickly spin right back to here. As slow as gravity will let me go, hit and spin. Hit and spin. Hit and spin. Hit and spin. If I want to be fancy with it too, I can go hit and then spin into my up and down eight. Hit, spin into up and down eight. Hit, spin into up and down eight. Hit, hit. If I'm trying to hit, just follow through. I don't want to be aiming to hit with the meat of the stick. If I want to follow through in my figure eight strikes, I want to be hitting with just the tip. So it's scratching, tearing into the target there, stinging like a bee. So when I'm backing up a little bit, now I can hit without the recoil of it following back to me, even in that rapid fire succession, because it's only hitting with the tip. It's not going to bounce back. It still has all the forward momentum to pull it through to the next target. One more time, I'm going bop, 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 bop. If I'm coming down, I want to bounce back with this spin. Down, bounce back. Down, bounce back. Down and bounce. Down and bounce. Down and bounce. Down and bounce. I hope that helps. Have a great day.